Starting an e-commerce business can be so rewarding. There are so many avenues of how to go about doing that, to build your own brand online. So to start off with, the first thing you have to do is to pick a niche. So a niche is an industry where you want to focus on, right? So with the niche that you're going to choose, which area or market you want to be in, then you have to do some research to see what kind of products you want to sell in that market, right? So you do your research on what kind of customers, what are the problems that you want to solve with the product, what do they desire, your ideal customers, and also look at what are the price point of those products, and also do research on your competitors in that market to see what are they doing and what can you do differently so that you can differentiate yourself and be able to stand out when you eventually launch your business. So the first step is to come up with your niche and then pick up the product that you want to sell. So once you're clear on which market you want to focus on and the product that you want to sell and who is your ideal client, now you have to build a website. So with a website, you can pick so many platforms for building a website. There's WooCommerce, there's Wix, there is Shopify, there is Big Cartel. You have to decide which one is a good fit for yourself. I like Shopify because it's more sophisticated and it's easy to navigate and helps to convert easily if you use the right apps on your store. So you have to come up with that website. And for your website, you make sure you're using images that really attracts your ideal customers, that really showcase that products. It has to be really, really good images that you're using, and using a product description that really talks about the product's benefits. Why would someone want to buy this product? You have to really speak to your ideal customers, the ones you have researched in the first part. That way they'll be able to buy your products because they'll be like, okay, this is what I've been looking for. This is the product that's going to be solving my problems. This is what I really, really desire. And you're really painting that picture with your descriptions. So don't just put the features only. You have to talk about what are the problems, what are the benefits of these products, and using really, really good images. So make sure when you create your website, you go through your website and make sure that everything is working on your website. All the links are working. So once you know what products that you want to sell, now you have to source those products. So you can choose to get your products from wherever you live right now, somewhere local, or you can get some of the products abroad, like from China, using places like Alibaba or AliExpress to source your products, because you've already done that research. Hopefully you've done the research to say where can you buy these products. So you've already done this research of what kind of products that you want to buy. So now do some more research to look where can you get your products. You can either buy them locally, or you can buy them in places like Alibaba from China or from AliExpress, depending with your budget. So when you go to places like Alibaba, make sure you do your due diligence and actually do the research. To take your time to research all the manufacturers and the suppliers and contact them and communicate with them, ask them questions about the products that you want to sell, and then see if you guys can work together. So don't rush it. Take your time, research, and then be able to source your products. If you need to know more about how to source products from Alibaba, I did a video here that you can check out and be able to get that guidelines on how to go about getting your products through Alibaba. So now you have your products, you have your website. Now you need to build your brand, because e-commerce is more than just having a website and having products. You need to build a brand around the products that you have chosen. That way you'll be able to stand out. So develop a good, strong brand identity. Make sure you got a good logo, good colors you choose for your brand, your fonts, your messaging, so that it resonates with your ideal customers that you want to attract and become buyers of your products. So make sure you're building a strong brand. So the next step is to build a strong brand so that you'll be able to stand out. So you got your business up and running. Now you have sorted out your branding. Now you need to market your business. You need to market that brand that you have started. So you need to be driving traffic every day to your website. That nicely designed website that you have created, you need to now drive traffic towards it so that people can buy products. So you can drive traffic using your social media, using the content that you share on social media, or you can do email marketing. You can run advertisements towards your business and start talking about your business, because each day somebody needs to know about your business. So you need to be driving traffic so that you'll be able to make sales in your business. So you need to market your products. So now you have your e-commerce running, you're getting sales, you're getting people coming, you're getting excited about your business, everything is going on. Now you also need to plan for growth, because as you grow, you have to prepare for that. You have to prepare the logistics to make sure that you have enough inventory. So now you have to reinvest the money that you've made to get more inventory. If you need to hire somebody to help you out, so that you can continue growing, even consider expanding your product line, introduce another product, launch another product. So you have to prepare for that growth. So it can come in so many ways. You can even choose to sell your products on other different platforms. That way you're scaling your business even more. So you have to prepare for that growth as well. So as you grow, make sure you're prepared to invest into your business for that growth so that you can continue on growing with your e-commerce business further and further and further. Big brand. So this is how you start an e-commerce business. So get started now. Don't overthink it. Just get started. You learn as you go, and you can evaluate to see what's working and what's not working, and re-evaluate your business. You can always take, another turn, change things around, and keep on going. So don't give up. Keep on pushing forward. So the e-commerce world is really growing, so don't miss out on that bag. So my name is Rudo, and here I share tips and tricks on how to build, market, and scale your online business. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification button so that you don't miss any other videos like this, where I share tips and tricks on how to build, market, and scale your online business. So for now, stay strong, stay positive, continue building the business that you love, and I'll see you next time, guys. Take care. Bye.